This is a motor that was a recent purchase. Had the silver hose with the liner in it, so you can see it deteriorated. Got that swapped out, thought we were doing pretty good. Serviced the lower unit, that was his impeller. As you can see, it was pretty well worn out. Spark plugs, enrichment valve was, as you can see, it was cracked. Top, so we rebuilt the enrichment pump on it and rebuilt his carbs. And weirdest thing, that didn't solve the problem. He had water in his gas tank, and from what we can see, actually the water was in the carburetors and froze, because we've taken them apart and examined them, and there's some internal something wrong with them. So we ordered 2 used carbs and put on there, and that solved the problem because it was only running on 1 cylinder. And now, go ahead.